What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and today we're covering more of Android by discussing Microsoft Swiftkey, an AI keyboard with a tone feature similar to what we've seen with the Samsung Galaxy keyboard, which should upgrade your writing style. So here we are in a test document, and I have the Microsoft Swiftkey keyboard opened, and I just want to point out, you can see that I have the background customized of this keyboard, which is a highlight of this software. So taking a closer look, we're going to have this toolbar at the top, and it's going to have all these different icons. Now, since we are focused on tone and using an AI feature from this keyboard, we're going to look for the Copilot key, and it's going to be this one right here, and we're going to tap on it. So this is going to refresh the keyboard, and where that toolbar used to be, we're going to have a list of new options, and they're going to include chat, search, tone, and compose. And to keep this video nice and short and to the point, we're going to look at the tone feature. But before we do so, I want to do one important thing here, and that is highlight my text that we do want to edit with the feature. Now, this is good to show live because you can see that as I go to highlight this text, we kind of get kicked out of the Copilot menu that we were in. So again, we're going to tap on that Copilot key, and then we're going to look for the tone feature and tap on that. And then we're going to have our highlighted text in this text field. Now, of course, you can add more text in here if you wanted to. So we're going to add a little bit more. Let's add more text. And then put a period. And then when we're happy with the text that we've inputted into that text field, we can tap on the arrow to the right. And this is going to create this load-in screen here. Now, I will say that this is a bit slower than what we have on the Samsung keyboard. This is going to take a little bit more time, but we're going to have very similar results. Now, interesting enough, we can scroll through these results, or we can tap through them. And we do get quite a bit of options here. Again, very similar to what we've seen with the Samsung keyboard. So we're going to have professional, we're going to have casual, we're going to have polite, we're going to have funny, we're going to have social post, which adds emojis, and we're going to have witty. So let's select an option that we like and insert it into the document. So I'm going to look at witty here. Now, to insert this text into the document, I am going to look at accept, and we're going to tap on that. And that's going to insert it directly into my document. Now, there is also the option to copy this created text, and that way we can put it into the document a bit more manually, or if we want to share it in maybe a different application or with someone else. So overall, I really like this feature. I think it could be helpful for anyone who is doing any basic form of writing or creating content or something else similar that does require a bit of writing creativity. However, I will say that this is a bit more slower. It's a little bit less efficient. It's a little bit more complicated than what we have with the Samsung keyboard. But this is an option if you don't have access to the Samsung keyboard, or maybe you just don't want to use the Samsung keyboard for whatever reason. So the question is, will you be using this feature? Let us know in the comments down below. As always, thanks for watching, and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon checking out.